हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, कैसे हैं आप? जैसा कि प्लस 2 के ऑनलाइन लेक्चर्स चल रहे हैं बेटा, एंड दिस इज ऑनलाइन लेक्चर नंबर 26 क्लास 12 पंजाब स्कूल एजुकेशन बोर्ड एंड सीबीएसई। जैसा कि वी डिस्कस अबाउट द सॉल्यूशन ऑफ साइमल्टेनियस लीनियर इक्वेशन इन लास्ट लेक्चर 25 में सॉल्यूशन ऑफ लीनियर इक्वेशंस आपको बताया था एल्गोरिथम हाउ यू कैन फाइंड द सॉल्यूशन ऑफ लीनियर इक्वेशन। सो वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट सम क्वेश्चंस and how to find the solution of simultaneous linear equation by solving these questions. The question number one is solve the following system of linear equations by matrix method, and the equations are given: x plus 2y plus z equals to 7, x plus 3z equals to 11, and 2x minus 3y equals to 1. So let us discuss about this question. And जैसा कि आपको बताया था, these are the three linear equations and we will write it in the matrix equation. तो मैं इसको मैट्रिक्स इक्वेशन के फॉर्म में लिखूंगा। तो मैट्रिक्स इक्वेशन कैसे लिखते हैं? ax is equal to b. So how this a will be a matrix? So this a will be the coefficient of x, y and z in this equation. So here x coefficient 1, y का 2 और z का 1. In second equation x coefficient is 1, y is 0, y नहीं है तो बेटा 0, z is 3, 2 minus 3, here z is not available, so z is 0, so z will be a 0. So this is matrix A. Then what about the x beta? What is x? X is equals to, these are the x, y, z, these are the variables used over here. And what about b? B is the term which is in the right hand side. So 7, 11, 1. So these are the three matrix, and ax equals to b is it's a matrix equation. So we write it as, तो हम कैसे लिखेंगे इसको? 1 1 2 2 0 minus 3 1 3 0 into x y z is equals to 7 11 1. So this is the matrix equation of the given linear equations. So now how to solve this values x y z? So to solve the values of x y z, we need to find the a determinant first. The first step is to find the a determinant. So a determinant can be solved from here. So if I using row 1 solve the determinant of this, then first element is 1, leave this row and column and multiply this 0 into 0, minus minus 3 3s are 9, 3 minus minus, ये क्योंकि इधर जाते समय माइनस लगाता है बेटा, तो माइनस माइनस प्लस हो जाएगा, 3 3s are 9. So this element will be taken as minus 2. ये रो कॉलम छोड़िए आप, 1 into 0 0 0 minus 6 0 minus 6, and last element is 1 taking as positive. This is minus 3 and minus 0. If I solve this, this comes to be 9 1s are 9, minus minus plus 6 2s are 12, and this is minus 3. So this is 9 minus 3 6, 12 plus 6 18, not equals to 0. So a determinant is not equals to 0. This is non-singular matrix. This is non-singular matrix. तो आपको बताया था what is the method to solve non-singular matrix. So to find it, the solution will be given by, this is consistent, this is consistent, this is the condition of consistent, and its solution is given by, x is equals to a inverse b. So we need to find x is equal to a inverse b. So what is the formula for a inverse beta? A inverse is equals to 1 over a determinant and adjoint of a. So because its solution will be x is equal to a inverse b, this is a unique solution. There will be only one single value of x, y, z, unique solution. So now to find a inverse, this is the formula, and to find a inverse, adjoint a is to be find out. So adjoint of a कैसे निकालते हैं? Cofactors transpose. So I need to find the cofactors of these elements. So cofactor of 1, leave this row column, 0 into 0 0, minus minus plus, so it will be 3 3s are 9. C12, first row second column element. This is taken as 1 2. This is negative odd number. जब प्लस करके i और j को प्लस करके odd number आएगा तो taken as negative. तो इस row column को छोड़िए, 1 into 0 0, minus 6. Minus 6, so this comes to be plus plus, minus minus plus 6. So C13, first row third column, this is first row third column, this is minus 3 and 2 into 0 is 0. So this is taken as minus 3, 1, 3. This is 3 plus 1, 4 even. So this is taken as same sign. So now C21. C21 is this. Leave this row column. 2 into 0, 0. Minus minus plus 3. And 2, 1 is taken as negative. C22. For this element, it will be 1 into 0, 0. 0 minus 2. 0 minus 2. So it is minus 2. So now C23. C23 for this element. For this element. Leave this row, leave this column. This is minus 3 and minus 4. Minus 3 and minus 4 is minus 7. Minus 3 and minus 4 is minus 7 because 2 plus 3 is 5 odd. So this will be minus of minus 7. So this will be plus 7. C31. So for this element, 3 2s are 6. And C32. C32, this element. 3 1s are 3, minus 1, 2. And this is taken as negative because odd number. So C33. So 33 is leave this row column, leave this row and this column, 1 into 0, 0, 0 minus 2. So this is minus 2. So these are the cofactors and adjoint of A is cofactors and transpose. So cofactors को लगाइए 9, 6, minus 3, minus 2, 7, 6, minus 2, minus 2. So these are the element and taken its transpose to find the adjoint. 9, 6, minus 3, minus 3, minus 2, 7, 6, minus 2, 6, minus 2, minus 2. So this will be adjoint of A. So now what is A inverse? A inverse is equal to 1 over A determinant. A determinant is 18 into adjoint of A. So this is 9, 6, minus 3, minus 3, minus 2, 7, 6, minus 2, minus 2. So this is our A inverse. So now the solution is given by x is equal to A inverse into B. So how we can find x is equal to A inverse B? So this is A inverse 1 by 18 into 9, 6, minus 3, minus 3, minus 2, 7, 6, minus 2, minus 2 into B. So what is B over here? So B is the 7, 11 and 1. 7, 11 and 1. So solve this. This is 1 by 18. 9, 7 is 63, minus 33, 6 1s are 6. 7, 6 are 42, minus 22, minus 2. So this is minus 21, 77, minus 2. So this is 1 by 18. So this comes to be a 3 minus 3, 0, 6 minus 3, 30 plus 6. This is 42, minus 22, 20. 20 minus 2, this is 18. Minus 21, minus 2, minus 23, and 77 में से minus करो, 7 minus 3 4, 7 में से 2 के बेटा 5. This is 54. 54. So if I solve this, this comes to be 30 plus 6, 36 divided by 2, 18, which is 2. 18 divided by 18 is 1. 54 divided by 18 is 3. So this is the value of capital X. So capital X is actually what? Capital X is X, Y, Z. X, Y and Z. So you get the values of X2, Y1 and Z3. So this is method to solve these linear equation by matrix method. So to check whether your answer is correct or wrong, you need to put these values in any of this equation. So if I put in equation x plus 2y plus z equals to 7, which is number 1. So 2 plus 2 into 1, z is 3 is equals to 7. 2 plus 2 1s are 2 plus 3 is equals to 7. 3 plus 2 5 plus 2 7. 7 equals to 7. So this is right hand side equals to left hand side. It means our answer is correct one. So this is method to solve this is a solution of a simultaneous linear equation. By how? This is by matrix method. So this was our first question, and now let us discuss about the second question. So write down the second question. Show that the following system of linear equations is consistent. Show that following system of linear equation is consistent. तो हमें कुछ इक्वेशंस चाहिए 3 और इसने बोला है कि शो दैट इट इज कंसिस्टेंट. ये कंसिस्टेंट है, ये आपको शो करना है. सो इक्वेशंस आर बेटा 2x minus y plus 3z equals to 5. Second equation is 3x plus 2y minus z equals to 7. Then here 4x plus 5y minus 5z equals to 9. Also find the solution. एक तो ये consistent है proof करना है and also find the solution. Second is to find the solution also. So now what we need to do is we need to write the matrix equation of this. So matrix equation is given by Ax is equal to b, where A is equal to the coefficient of this 2 minus 1 2 minus 1 3, then 3 2 minus 1, the coefficient of that will be minus 1 over here. So this is 4 5 and minus 5. So this is your A. What about B? B is elements on right hand side 5 7 and 9. What about x? So x is the variable x y z. So देखिए now मैट्रिक्स इक्वेशन के लिए इसको वहां पे पुट करिए बेटा. दिस इज 2 3 4 minus 1 2 5. This is 3 minus 1 minus 5. Then here x, which is x y z, then equals to b 5 7 9. So this is 2 minus 1 3 3 2 minus 1 4 5 minus 5. So let us find the A determinant first to check consistent or inconsistent. So A determinant is given by first row. This is 2. This will be minus 10 and minus minus plus 5. Then minus minus plus. This is minus 15 minus minus plus 4. So last element is 3 over here. So plus 3. So 3 के लिए आप कितना है? 15 minus 4 to the 8. So this is 2 minus 5 plus this is minus 11 plus 3. 15 minus 8 is 7. So this is comes to be minus 10 minus 11 plus 7 3 is 21, which is equals to minus 21 plus 21, which is equals to 0. So in this case A determinant become 0. So if A determinant equals to 0, we cannot decide whether it is consistent or inconsistent. So it may be consistent or inconsistent. To check this, because it was a question to ask us that whether it is a consistent or not, or show that it is consistent. It can be asked in both the ways. So A determinant equals to 0. So to check it, we need to find the adjoint of A into B, because it is a singular matrix. It is a singular matrix. जो मैंने पिछला करवाया था बेटा उसमें A determinant नॉट इक्वल्स टू 0 आया था, 18 में आया था पिछले क्वेश्चन में. सो वहां पे दैट वाज अ नॉन सिंगुलर मैट्रिक्स, बट इट इज अ सिंगुलर मैट्रिक्स बेटा. तो ये सिंगुलर है, इसके लिए आपको एडजॉइंट ऑफ A इनटू B निकालना पड़ेगा. सो हाउ टू फाइंड द एडजॉइंट ऑफ A? तो एडजॉइंट ऑफ A के लिए वी नीड टू फाइंड द कोफैक्टर्स. तो C11 C12 C13 C21 C22 C23 C31 C32 C33. So I need to find all the 9 cofactors over here. So how to find C11? This is, leave this row column, minus 10 and minus minus plus 5, which is minus 5, which comes to be minus 5. Then the second element, leave this column, this row and column, minus 15 plus 4. Minus 15 plus 4 is minus 11, but it will be 1 2. So this is minus minus plus. So for this element, 5 is the 15 minus 8 7. Which is 1 3. So now for this element, this is minus minus plus 5. 5 minus 15 minus 10. This is minus 10. So C21 will be minus minus plus 10. So the C22. So for this we need to find minus 10 minus 12. Minus 10 minus 12, which is minus 22. So this is minus 22. C23 will be this element. This is 5 to the 10 plus 4. 14. So this is 3 2. 3 1 के लिए बेटा इस रो कॉलम के लिए माइनस माइनस प्लस 1 1 minus 6 minus 1 minus 6 minus 5. So this is minus 5. C32 will be this segment. This is minus 2 minus 9. Minus 2 minus 9, which is minus 11, because this is 3 2 odd number. So this is minus minus plus. So C3 के लिए हमें 2 to the 4 plus 3 7 बेटा. These are the cofactors, and the cofactors का ट्रांसपोज करने पे हमें क्या मिलता है? Adjoint of A मिलता है. So let us write it in minus 5 11 7 10 minus 22 minus 14 minus 5 11 and 7. So these are the cofactors, and its transpose will be the adjoint of this. So this comes to be minus 5 11 7 10 minus 22 minus 14 minus 5 11 and 7. So this is adjoint of A. So now we need to find the adjoint of A into B. So adjoint of A into B can be solved over here. Adjoint of A into B. So this is adjoint of A, minus 5 11 7 10 minus 22, minus 14, minus 5, 11. So 7 multiplied by b. B over here is 5, 7, 9. So this is b. So now solve this, beta. This comes to be minus 25, 17 minus 45. Now second, 11 5s are 55 minus 7 2s are 14. 7 2s are 14 plus 1 15. So this is 11 9s are 99. So now 7 5s are 35 minus 98 63. So if I solve this, this comes to be beta. This is minus 25 minus 70 plus 70. This comes to be 154 plus 154 minus 154, and this comes to be 98 minus 98. So if you solve this, this comes to be a 0 0 0 0 0. So adjoint of A into B. So because जैसा कि हमने लास्ट लेक्चर में पढ़ा था, 25th लेक्चर में मैंने आपको बताया था कि when adjoint of A into B becomes 0, so it is consistent. It is consistent and it has infinite many solution. It has infinite many solution. जैसा कि उसने बोला था कि show that it is consistent. So we proved over here by solving adjoint of A into B equals to 0. It is consistent. तब ये consistent हो जाता है. It has infinite many solutions. और इसके infinite many solutions निकालने का तरीका क्या बताया था? Put z equals to k in equation 1 and 2. In equation 1 and 2. So this is your equation number 1. This is your equation number 2. So if I solve this, 2x minus 5 plus 3k equals to 5. So this is 2x minus y is equal to 5 minus 3. So second equation is 3x plus 2y minus k is equals to 7. So this is 3x plus 2y is equal to 7 plus k. So these are the two equations that we need to solve over here. So इसको कैसे solve करेंगे बेटा? Again we will find a matrix. मैट्रिक्स यहाँ पे बनेगा हमारे पास, और उसके बाद मैट्रिक्स इक्वेशन बनाने के बाद वी विल अगेन सॉल्व द डिटरमिनेंट ओवर हियर. सो दिस इज समवेयर लॉन्गर मेथड बिकॉज़ ये केस लॉन्गर ही होगा बेटा. इसमें मेरे पास इक्वेशन बनी है 2x minus y is equal to 5 minus 3k नंबर 1, और 2x minus y is equal to 5 minus 3k. सेकंड इज 3x plus 2y. 3x plus 2y is equal to 7 plus k. ये बड़ा है मेथड बिकॉज़ बेटा इसमें आपके पास a डिटरमिनेंट इक्वल्स टू 0 आ गया था, तो उसके लिए हमें ये सारा क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करना पड़ रहा है. नाउ अगेन दिस इज 4 and 5 इक्वेशन. सो a मैट्रिक्स लिखिए 2 minus 1 3 2. देन इसमें से आप x लिखिए. x क्या है आपके पास? x and y ओवर हियर. सो देन आप b लिखिए. यहाँ पे b क्या है? 5 minus 3k और 7 plus k. So you have to repeat whole step again. So this is a determinant 2 to the 4. To the 4 minus 1 is plus 3. This is 7 not equals to 0. So not equals to 0. Now this is the method x is equal to a inverse b. So a inverse के लिए बेटा हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा? a inverse is 1 over a determinant into adjoint of a. So we need to find the adjoint of a of this matrix. So adjoint will be given by changing these elements and by changing the sign of these elements. Minus 3 and this comes to be plus 1. This is the shortcut method that I told you कि आप इसको सिंपली क्या कर सकते हैं? by changing the off elements के आप साइन चेंज कर दीजिए. ऑफ एलिमेंट्स मींस these एलिमेंट, इनके आप साइन चेंज कर दीजिए बेटा और इंटरचेंज कर दीजिए पोजीशन को. इनको जस्ट आप पोजीशन इंटरचेंज करो, you will get the adjoint of A. So here the A inverse is 1 over A determinant. So what is the determinant over here? 1 by 7. What is adjoint over here? 2 minus 3 1 2. So this is your A inverse over here. So now we need to find the x is equal to A inverse into B. So x is equal to A inverse into B. So what is x actually? X is xy. What is the A inverse? This is the A inverse. So 1 by 7 into 2 minus 3 1 2. And what is B over here? This is 5 minus 3k 7 plus 2. 5 minus 3k and 7 plus k. So we need to find x, y. This is equals to 1 by 7 will be as it is. This row and this column. 5 to the 10 minus 6k. This is 7 1 is 7 plus k. And now this row with this column. This comes to be minus 15 minus minus plus 9k. 7 to the 14 plus 2k. So this comes to be 1 by 7. 1 by 7. 10 plus 7 17. Minus 5k, and this is minus 1 plus 11k. So these are the elements. X की वैल्यू क्या हो जाएगी? 17 minus 15. So x is equal to 17 minus 5k over 7 and y is equals to minus 1 plus 11k over 7. So this is the x, y and z over here is k. So because as the value of k is a real number, जैसे जैसे k change होगा बेटा, आंसर क्या है? This is x, this is y and this is z. This is your answer basically. So we can say over here, as k is a real number, so as the value of real number will change, the value of x, y, z will change. So it has infinite many solutions. So thanks for watching and more questions will be discussed in next lecture beta. Thank you so much.